Welcome to this FX Empire review, Pacific Financial Derivatives Limited, otherwise known as PFD, a broker that was founded in 1999 and is regulated by the New Zealand Financial Markets Authority. With PFD, users can trade with a no dealing desk broker on multiple Forex pairs and CFD instruments, covering indices and commodities. As we can see here on the broker's regulation page, the company is authorized and regulated by the New Zealand Financial Markets Authority. This is also confirmed when searching the regulator's register, as we can see here, the FMA Financial Markets Authority of New Zealand, Pacific Financial Derivatives Limited. PFD offers a variety of different trading accounts: PFDTrader, PFDPro, PFDProPlus, as well as Islamic accounts, multi-terminal accounts, and demo trading accounts. As we can see here on the accounts page, if we scroll down, it provides a useful comparison of the three different account types. As we can see here, the first one, PFDTrader, is a commission-free trading account with leverage up to 300 to 1 based on and depending on the size of your trading account. We can also see here the PFD Pro has tighter spreads. However, there is a commission of $1 per side per standard lot, and we have leverage of 1 to 100. So very competitive commissions there on the PFD Pro account. And we also have the PFD Pro Plus account, which has the tightest of spreads available, $1 per side standard size lot commission and leverage of 100 to 1. And we can actually see here the deposits, so the initial minimum deposit is there's no minimum for the PFDTrader and PFD Pro, and $1,000 for PFD Pro Plus. The broker does provide some useful information regarding the asset classes available to trade with them, and these can be found on the Forex and CFD tabs on the homepage. Right now we're in the Forex tab, and we can see actually the different foreign exchange currency pairs that are available to trade on, as well as a little bit more information regarding different metals there and commodities, and just a little bit of information about the foreign exchange market. However, the most informative page is actually the spreads comparison page. So here we can actually see the different spreads on the different trading accounts. So we can see here euro dollar, for example, on the PFD Pro account, the spread right now is just 0.3 pips, which is very competitive, with very competitive low commissions there of just $1 per side per lot. We can see dollar yen 0.2 pips, pound dollar very tight as well for pound dollar 0.4 pips, or ranging from 0.2 0.4. Probably just saw dollar yen go down to 0 pips as well. So very tight and competitive spreads there on the PFD Pro. And if you look at PFDTrader, this is a commission-free account, but even here the spreads are very competitive and very tight as well. We can see euro dollar 0.8 pips, 0.7 pips now, dollar yen 0.7 pips, pound dollar 0.7 pips, Kiwi against the US dollar 1.5 pips, Aussie against the US 1 pip, ranging from 0.9 pips to 1 pips. So very competitive spreads there, and very useful to compare the spreads for their major account types. PFD does provide some limited trader education under the education tab. You can see Forex glossary, Forex introduction, and an economic calendar. So there's a little bit of information there to help beginner traders understand a little bit more about the markets that they are trading. The broker also provides 24-hour support from 10 a.m. Monday New Zealand time through to 10 a.m. Saturday New Zealand time, and they actually have a contact us section and a technical support section as well, and this is comprised of telephone numbers, email addresses, Skype, and a live chat function here at the bottom, which we'll go ahead and test now. So here at the bottom right, I was connected to an agent literally within about 10 seconds, asked a question, do you offer demo trading accounts? And they provided me the answer and the detail on where to actually download that. So very quick to get onto a customer support agent who is actually very informative. PFD allows users to trade on the globally recognized Metatrader 4 trading platform. And as we scroll down, we can actually see the Metatrader 4 trading platform is available for Windows desktop download, as well as for iPhone and Android users. And there are some details regarding how to use MT4 on Mac devices as well. And we'll have a look at the Metatrader 4 platform right now. So here we have the Metatrader 4 trading platform provided by PFD. And as we can see here on the far left, we've got access to the different symbols that are available to trade on. And if we right click and click on symbols, this gives us a tab where we can actually see all the different currency pairs available to trade on. So a large selection of different currencies, exotic currencies as well, such as the Russian ruble. And if we scroll down, we've got the different indices that are available to trade with. So all the major stock indices from around the world. We've also got oil and spot prices and CFD prices as well. So, a wide variety of different markets available to trade on, and you can right click and click show all, and this will show all the available symbols to actually trade on. Now, as we can see here, we have euro against the US dollar on this chart. So you can lay out different chart functions, and there's different functions here. We can change time frames from 1 minute charts to 4-hour charts to daily charts, all the way to monthly charts. We can also insert indicators, and it has all the popular indicators like Bollinger Bands, moving averages, different oscillators as well, like MACD for example, which we can plot onto the chart. And it also offers a one-click trading feature as well. So we can either right click and click on trading and new order and place orders, pending orders, through stop and limit orders here. And we can also use the one-click trading feature. So if I click on buy, the disclaimer would come up. Once you've read and accepted those terms, click on the button here at the bottom. So I go back in and click buy. You can see straight away at the bottom, a trade has been opened there on euro dollar. You can actually see that on the chart of euro dollar with the horizontal line. And you can trade from the chart as well. So we can left click and hold down, and that will drag it down to put in a stop loss. You'll see a stop loss that is now there. We can also add in a take profit. We can right click on this trade and we can modify this, and then we can add in a take profit level here, or we can simply left click and hold down on our entry level on the chart and drag it up to put a take profit in. Now you'll see that that has been pre-populated. So very simple to use and great ability to trade from the chart as well. And from here we can just right click and we can change different things, put on a trading stop loss and so on, or we can simply just close the order here, and that's been closed instantaneously. And there's a lot of different other options here at the bottom as well, such as setting alerts, looking at different signals, and many more features. Now let's have a look at the Metatrader 4 mobile trading app provided by PFD. So here we have the Metatrader 4 mobile trading app provided by PFD. As we can see here on the home page, we have access to quotes, charts, trading activity, news, and an economic calendar. If we click on the quotes tab, this provides quotes for a variety of different symbols. We can add different symbols to this quote window by clicking the pencil icon here at the top and clicking the plus icon. And this gives us the available markets to trade on, and you can see here a wide list of different currencies available to actually trade via PFD, such as exotic currencies like US dollar against the Turkish lira, South African rand versus the Japanese yen. And if we go back to the quote window, then we can actually see the different markets, for example, South African rand against the Japanese yen at the bottom. From here, we can actually open a chart and start trading as well. And if we click on euro dollar here, right now spread there 0.4, 0.8 pips, so pretty competitive. If we click on this, it gives us the ability to open an order ticket or open a chart. I'm going to click on open chart, and we have a chart here of euro dollar. We can change the time frame by clicking the clock icon at the top, and we've got minute charts all the way to monthly charts. We can also change the symbol here if we wish to do so by clicking the dollar sign, and we can also add on different indicators. So wide variety of different indicators, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds, money flow index, fractals, and many others. If we go back, we can also trade from here as well, and we can click the plus icon. This will open up a trading ticket, and we've got different options. We can set pending orders via limit and stop orders, or we can use market execution, and we can sell or buy this market. So for example, I can click on buy market, and that has got us into a live trade instantaneously, as we can see here in the trading window. And we can click on this, you'll see details there. There's no stop loss or take profit attached. So we can hold down on this and we can click modify order, and then we can actually add in a take profit by dragging in the take profit level, and then we can also add in a stop loss by dragging that down as well. And we'll click on modify, and that has now placed a stop loss and take profit on this particular trade. And then what we can do to close this is simply hold down on it and click on close order, and we can close that trade there. So that wraps up this FX Empire review of PFD. We hope you found it to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.